The KUPER KLM 470 glue application machine ensures process-reliable gluing of the veneer bundles. One of the highlights, the particularly easy-to-use Simatec HMI touch panel with Siemens control and access to all machine parameters. In the recipe management with 4 basic programs, the user can choose between the settings hard, medium, soft, and X-Soft. In the X-Soft program, 5 veneer sheets can be glued simultaneously without any problems. Optionally available is a veneer width detection, which opens and closes an automatic gluing of the traversing sides. Manual time-consuming operation and extensive setup processes are thus a thing of the past. A toothed belt drive ensures optimum workpiece transport. Light sensor technology enables height detection of the veneer bundle. Proportional valves ensure the optimal adjustment of all pressures, thus reducing the amount of glue dispensed, a material cost saving that pays off. The fine and hardly visible glue application leads to improved process reliability, especially in further processing, as there is no glue leakage in the joint formation.